If you've been looking for the perfect castle for your family right near the beach, we've got an incredible 3-story treehouse you've just got to see here at Toomulla. Should we go check it out, girls?
Yeah!
Let's go! There's simply nothing like a pole home for creating a sense of space and a feeling of adventure. 91 Herald Street in Toomulla Beach will have your family swinging from the treetops, or at least feel like they're living in them. On the first floor is an awesome bar, where you can make margaritas for all your mates. Hey Matt, show them the veranda. Also on this floor are 3 big bedrooms, all with beautiful views of the rainforest gardens. But wait till you see the top story. And from the top floor, there are stunning views of the Toomulla rainforest and incredible glimpses of the ocean here at Toomulla Beach. Amazing! There are 3 big bedrooms, all with hard floors, air conditioning, and large built-in wardrobes. Plus, there's a fabulous study that's big enough to sleep guests who are spending a night at the beach. The huge corner kitchen has been recently renovated, so juggling your family's lunch and dinner won't be a problem. The family bathroom has 2 showers, making getting ready in the morning a breeze. Hey Rob, how good is the shower in the main bathroom? Could you pass the shampoo? What do you need shampoo for? Oh yeah, I don't need shampoo. And the other family bathroom has a tub big enough for all the kids. And then I said, I just flew in from Los Angeles and boy are my arms tired. There's the cutest spot in these gardens to have tea with your best friends. Cheers. Cheers. On the ground floor, the workshop is huge. Look at the size of this place. So if you're handy, unlike me, you'll love it. And there's a shower and toilet down here so you can clean up before you go upstairs. The location is just fantastic. There's nothing like the sea breezes you get here on this beautiful wraparound deck. Here, you're less than 5 minutes walk to one of North Queensland's most beautiful private beaches. Rainforest walks and waterfall swims at Toomulla are just up the road. The Townsville CBD and beaches of the Strand are about a 45-minute drive away. With 3 stories of fun right near the beach, you'll never have an opportunity to find another house like this. We'll see you right here this weekend at another cutting-edge property.